Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make game capture full screen in OBS Studio. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. Well, first, open your OBS application on your computer. Now here's an important note before we proceed. Make sure your game is already open or running on your PC or laptop. This is crucial because OBS needs to detect an active game window to capture it properly. Once OBS is open, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see a section labeled Sources. Click on the plus icon within this section, and from the menu that appears, select Game Capture. After selecting it, a new window will pop up, so go ahead and click OK to proceed with adding this source. Next, you'll need to configure how OBS captures your game. Navigate to the Mode option, which you'll find right beside the source name. Click on the drop-down menu next to Mode and select Capture Specific Window from the list. This option allows OBS to focus on one particular game window rather than trying to capture everything on your screen, which ensures better performance and more reliable recording. Now, look for the window option right beside Mode. Click on its drop-down menu and you'll see a list of all the applications currently running on your computer. From this list, select your preferred game that you want to capture. Make sure you choose the correct game window to avoid capturing the wrong application. Once you've selected it, click OK to confirm your settings and apply the game capture source. At this point, your game should appear in the OBS preview window, but it might not be filling the screen completely. To fix this, right-click on the game capture source in your sources list. When the context menu appears, hover your mouse over the transform option. From the submenu that opens, select Fit to Screen. This option scales the game to fit your OBS canvas while preserving its original aspect ratio, which means your game won't look stretched or distorted. This is perfect if you want to maintain the game's intended visual proportions. However, if you want the game to fill the entire canvas without any black bars on the sides, you have another option. Right-click on the game capture source again, hover over Transform once more, and this time select Stretch to Screen instead. This will force the game to fill every pixel of your canvas, though it may slightly distort the image if your game's aspect ratio doesn't match your canvas settings. And that's it! You've successfully made your game capture full screen in OBS Studio, giving you a professional-looking stream or recording setup. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.